Welcome to Arogya PhysioTips. I am Dr. Anamika Lingro, and in today's video, I will be guiding you on how to use a massage gun if you have knee pain at home. If you have knee pain, your everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even playing sports can be of great discomfort. That's why people are looking for strategies which will ease the discomfort and improve the mobility. Therefore, a massage gun can be of helpful tool. Using a massage gun as a part of a consistent regular exercise routine can ease muscle tightness, elevate pain, and improve mobility. A massage gun is a handheld device that uses repetitive fast pressure and vibration to boost circulation and stimulate muscle tissue. The pressure can be adjusted and the speed as well can be adjusted according to your comfort level. The benefits of using a massage gun are it reduces knee pain and the muscle tension, it promotes blood flow, it gives more muscle stimulation, and it increases the range of motion. The first muscle that you can start using the massage gun if you have the knee pain is the inner thigh muscles. You can use a block like this for support, or you can use a pillow as well. So I'm starting the massage gun. As you can see this button, you can adjust the pressure and the speed as well. You can start from down to up or up to down as well, whichever you're comfortable. You can move it around. You don't need to stay in one point. And you can do it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Next muscle you can do the massage gun is this one, the front of the thigh or the quadriceps muscles. You can go from up to down or down to up as well. Again, each point you can do for 2 minutes. Don't stay for longer. And that's it. Muscle is the IT band. You can start from up to down as well. And go from down to up. Again, this also for around 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes you can do this. And that's it. Next muscle is the calf, because if you have knee pain, you might have some trigger points around the calf. Then you can start from up to down and go from down to up. If you want to increase the pressure also, you can increase depending on your comfort level. Again, for this also you can do for 1 to 2 minutes. And that's it. Next muscle is the shin bone, that is the front of the leg. You can start like this. When you are doing for this particular area, try to avoid doing on the bony area. And that's it. So as you can see how you can use the massage gun at home on each particular muscles, and always remember to avoid bony areas or in open wounds. And if you have any doubts and if you want to learn more how to use the massage gun, you can always come to us here in Medex Hospital, Kalina, Agraha. Witness your fitness with us. Please do share, like and subscribe with your friends and family.